Hi everyone, I once again welcome you all to my channel. So today I have made a particular video that will help for those aspirants who are appearing for UPSC CSC 2021 prelims. So watch the video till the end without skipping and let's move further. So we all know that admit cards for UPSC prelims have already been released and now we have only 5 days left for the examination. As we all know that UPSC prelims is an qualifying exam and only 4 to 5% people will clear this prelims and they make it for mains. Hence, prelims becomes most important part for this civil services examination. So keeping this in mind, let's discuss some last minute tip for prelims that are really important and that should be followed by every aspirant. So the first and foremost thing is do not read anything new. So what happens is at this time you have very little possibility to retain whatever you have learned. So instead of reading new things, just keep on revising what you have already learned so that you can give your 100% in the examination. And the next thing comes here is brush your elimination technique. So what happens is this is the phase where everyone will start giving mock test and nearly everyone will solve 50 to 60 mock test. So what you have to do is instead of attempting mock test repeatedly, give a mini mock test in the morning and practice on how to use elimination techniques in the examination. If you see the previous year question papers, elimination is becoming little tough, so try to brush your elimination techniques at this point of time. And now comes the third one. Do not neglect your CSAT paper. Sometimes we do neglect CSAT, but many aspirants clear GS cutoff, but they miss out CSAT. So try to take some time for revising important topics like ratio and proportions. Or if you find you want to brush your vocabulary, you can also do that. Whatever you find important and whatever you find it is necessary, please give some time for that and revise that things in CSAT paper. And now the fourth one is revise high priority topics. So what is this high priority topics? What you have to do is you have to make a list of what you need to revise and then along with this list revise topics with high priority. So you have prepared for this exam for a long time. So when you're attempting mock test, you know that which area is important and where questions are being repeatedly asked. So those are high priority topics. So what you have to do is just make a list of high priority topics, and along with this high priority topics you revise the topics that you tend to forget. So what happens is here you are revising your high priority topics along with the topics that you are feeling like you will forget in the examination. So apart from these tips, you have to make sure that you are physically active and you have to indulge some positive thoughts and you have to believe in yourself that you can do it and you have to give your 100% in this examination. So apart from this, you have to keep some important points in your mind, that is keep your admit card and other documents ready and wear comfortable clothes, because we don't know what is the situation in the examination hall, because some people will have asthma, some people will have other breathing problems, and if we don't prepare ourselves before, then we will face problems in the examination center. So please try to wear comfortable clothes and keep yourself hydrated, and while writing the exam please keep a check on time, because in the examination hall time will fly. So while writing your exam, keep a check on the time. Last but not least, have full faith and attempt the paper with confidence. So this is what I wanted to share with you people. These are the important tips, and I hope you will get benefited from this. So for those who are appearing for UPSC 2021 prelims, all the best from my side.